We're here on the Carnival celebration. Here's our room. We are missing one of our luggages so far. Here's the bed. Unpack and choose fun. I wish I could, because it's the suitcase with my stuff and my husband's stuff that we don't have yet. Anyways, here's our bed.
Oh, we gotta bring out the AC/DC shirt for sure.
The daughter's unpacking. She has her suitcase. This is her bed.
Don't show my unmentionables.
Oh my goodness. This will pull out, and that'll be her bed during the day. It's a little couch. They have a step stool here. Has her pillows in there. Maybe some other bedding too. Up above, there's an extra bed up there that pulls down. So that's kind of neat. We have an interior room, so no window. Some little shelves. You get one bottle for free. This other bottle, $3.95. I don't know why they couldn't give you both bottles for free, but you know, is what it is. Little mini fridge. Not stocked with anything because our daughter's 19.
Yeah, it sucks.
Drawers. Hair dryer in there. Small little skinny drawer.
I was prepared to get turned.
Oh my god. Got some plugs. Got a TV. Got lights above the bed. There's a light that comes on there.
I guess I should take the
Got this little light there on each side. A little tray for your stuff. We got two closets here. Mirror, hangers. My daughter's already started. Got a safe. More closet space over here. Looks like some more bedding. Time to check out the bathroom. Okay, gonna have to step in. It's a ship bathroom. Can be a little
Did you say a shit?
ship. It can be a little claustrophobic for some. Got a little makeup mirror. Does it not pull out? Huh. So I'm not quite sure. Would I have to stand there in between the toilet? That, All right then. Got the shower. I give you some shampoo and shower gel. I hope that is a shampoo with conditioner in it, because I didn't bring any conditioner. Very exciting, the bathroom. If you know me at all, I got the anxiety stuff. I'm breathing.
You know.
That's my daughter. Oof. If we get Titanic, I'm going to be pissed. That's all I'm saying.
Today, you are with 5,280 other people that want to set sail. So let's go, go, go.
That's kind of an odd number, 5,280, just like a mile. That's the door.
Shut up.
And, of course, you know, safety comes first. So
Safety comes first. What does he mean by that? What did he say was wrong?